Today on this guy's garage, we're gonna reset this window limit switch on this 2005 Mustang coming up.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to this guy's garage. So today we're going to reset this window switch so the window can go up. But I hope it works, but if it doesn't, we're going to have to dig deeper into it. So hopefully it works. So we're going to go inside the car, close the door, turn the key to the
On position.
You don't have to
Start the car.
Yes, you don't have to start the car. We're going to put the window down for 5 seconds. And hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Holding the switch.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. All right. Turn the key off. Open the door.
So we're going to open the door. Okay, let's see if it works.
And
Yes!
it works. Success.
Success.
Good job, buddy.
So I hope this was helpful. Subscribe. Click the like button. The subscribe button's up there. The like button's down there. Thanks for stopping by for this guy's garage. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. If I can do it, you can do it.
Pound.
This guy's